Hello, myself Karthik Shrinivas. Today I am going to explain how to perform linear regression, specifically multi-linear regression on a simulator. I am going to use Orange data mining tool, which is used to perform machine learning and data visualization. Orange is an open source tool, hence it is free to download. You can download Orange tool from the official Orange website. Now let us take a look into the website. As you can see, this is the official Orange Learning Tool website. We can navigate this website by clicking orangedatamining.com. As you can see in its main page, we can learn that Orange is a data mining tool and it is open source. We can also perform various machine learning algorithms in it. You can download the Orange tool by clicking in this button. I have already downloaded the Orange tool. So let us proceed with the activity. Now, as we can see, this is the Orange tool. Now, click on New to start a new Orange session. Now, the menu bar in the left side is called Orange Wizard with widgets. And the white screen here you can see is Orange Canvas. Orange Canvas is the place where we perform our activities. First, let us see how we are going to import our dataset. Select the file widget from the data column. Now, you can right click on the file widget to rename the file as per your conventions. I am going to rename it as dataset as this is our main dataset. Now, double click on the dataset file and then you can select this directory to select files from your local commission. Then you can go to your destination folder and then select the CSV file, that is your dataset, and click on open. Then from here we can see that as I have selected cost dataset, basically what is car dataset means, the cars dataset contains the car name, model name, and volume of engine, weight of engine, and the target is CO2 emission. That is, based on the volume and weight of the engine, we are going to calculate the amount of CO2 it is going to emit. So, as we can see that Orange software identifies the type of the column automatically. So, volume, weight, and CO2, which is CO2 emission, are numeric in type, and car and model are textual data. And the car and model data are just metadata. We are not going to use it for our calculation purpose. Hence, we are keeping it as metadata. The volume and weight are future data. That is, we are going to calculate CO2 emission from these future data. That is volume and weight of the engine. Then CO2 is the target data. That is, we should predict the amount of CO2 it emits. Hence, we will classify it as target data. And then we will apply these changes to this data set. Now, changes have been applied. Now, to view this data in the form of table, click on data table and add this widget in the orange canvas. Then you can drag a line to the data table so that data is transferred to data table from data set. Now double click on data table. So here you can see that data set. You can see a data set. The first column represents the target value, which is CO2 emission. The second, third, fourth, fifth columns represent the metadata and future data respectively. Now we can visualize the numeric value by clicking visualize numeric value. If we click on visualize numeric value, the data will be visualized in form of line graph. As you can see here, the bar is set based on the values in that particular column. Now let us scatter plot the data. So to visualize the data using scatter plot, go to visualize section, click on scatter plot and add it to the orange canvas. Now connect the scatter plot with the data set. Now double click the scatter plot. As you can see, this is the data set scatter plot. The scatter plot contains volume versus weight here. Now to show the regression line for volume and weight, we can click on this show regression line. It will automatically plot a regression line for volume versus data, volume versus weight. So we can also adjust the size of the data points and opacity of the data points, So now we will see how to use linear regression. So linear regression is basically a model to predict the future values in a data set. So we will go to model section, and then as you can see here, there are various types of models like linear regression, logistic regression, naive Bayes classifier, AdaBoost, curve fit, neural network, stacking of models, trees, random forest, etc. Now we will select linear regression model as we are going to perform multiple linear regression. Now drag and drop the linear regression widget. Now if you by mistakenly add another more linear regression widget, you can right click on that widget and remove that widget. Now connect the data set with linear regression model. Now we can double click the linear regression model to inspect its attributes. Now here we have click fit the intercept, and then we are not using any regularization. So next, to find the coefficient values, we should connect the data linear regression model with data table. So hence we go to data, and then we drag and drop the data table and connect the linear regression model to data table. Hence the coefficient data is transferred from linear regression model to the data table. Now as we can double click the data table, we can see that the intercept value, the volume, coefficient, the coefficient of regression for weight can be seen here. Now here also we can visualize the numeric values, that is the values compared to each other. So these are the intercepts and the coefficients. Now we need to train, we finished training. Now in the section we finish the training of our model. Now we need to evaluate it, that is testing. As I don't have any testing data set, I will use the same data set for training for testing purposes too. So now to test our linear regression model, we will go to evaluate section in the orange software. In the evaluate section, there is a column, there is a widget called test and score. We can drag and drop it. Test and score is used to find the MSE, that is mean square error, root mean square error, etc. So now we will connect our model to the test and score. As you can see that it labels it as learner, as our model is learner for test and score. Now the testing data is our data set itself. So we are going to connect the data set to the test and score. Hence the data is transferred. As you can see here that test and score have been evaluated by now. So when we double click the test and score, we can see that values of MSC, RMSC, MAE, which is mean absolute square error, and coefficient of determination. Now we can cross validate by clicking this different option. We can test it with various samples. Like when I test it with random sampling, with repeat, train or test with 10 value and training set size as 70%, the MSME value, RMSC, MAE and R2 values have been changed. So for various trainings, the values of MSME are changing. Now we can see that what are the predicted values. To see what are the predicted values, we should connect the test and score widget with data table. Hence we can connect it now. So we are connecting the test and score with data table. Hence, the predictions and the predictions data have been sent to data table 2. Now we can double click it to visualize it. So as we can see here, the linear regression linear regression is the prediction of the CO2 emission. As we can see here, that for cars Skoda model Fabia, the linear regression have predicted 99.6869, but actual CO2 emission is 90. So there is a slight error, but our linear regression model has been predicting almost accurately. So this is how we can see what values have been predicted by our linear regression model for the particular data and what is the actual value. Hence, this is how we will perform a linear regression model evaluation and how we will perform or simulate a linear regression model. In this case, multiple linear regression, as we are using two different columns to evaluate one to evaluate or find the target values, only one target value. So this is how we will use the Orange software. Now that we have seen how to use Orange software, I hope that everyone understood how to create a linear regression model, especially multiple linear regression model in Orange software, and how to test it and evaluate it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.